Okay, action.
Back again.
That girl's going to say cut.
Spider time. We'll call it a Halloween special.
As a decoration for me.
Mm-hmm.
For me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you, Dad. The spider wants the decoration. Cut, 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 cut. Cut, 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 cut. That's what they meant it. Like, oh my god! You meant, oh my gosh, you're pulling a spider for me? Okay, action. Don't get cake your cheek. You gotcha. This is still siding.
Okay, hold on.
Watching build this fire. Can I kiss your cheek, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for filling the fire for me, Dad.
You're welcome. It's gonna take a second to figure it out, though.
Yep.
Oh. Cool. Got it. Got it that time.
That door looks like a hamburger. Well, that looks like spider. That looks like a spider legs. It does like spider legs.
I decided to start organizing the pieces before starting the videos. Make them a little bit faster.
Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Oops, you almost got it. It's almost the string. Okay. I'm going to hold the string. It's like a yo-yo. You know, the string is super long. You touch it to the fire. No, can I touch the horn?
Mm-hmm. You can hold that.
Wow. This is, I never see spider legs.
That's not all of it. All of the legs. It's not done.
Legs look like this. Look like, spiders look like this. You know spiders look like this?
Mm-hmm. Some spiders do.
That's spider.
This spider's only got 6 eyes, so.
Yep. Spiders have so many eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Can suck out people's soul. Like vampires do. Like. Till they get bigger. Super big like that spider on there.
Let me see.
I want to see all the eyes. Spiders are so crazy. Cowabunga. Oh, I say cowabunga. Cowabunga. It's so fun on meanies. I think cowabunga on the trailer.
Calabunga.
Yeah, we ride on the tractor. I said cowabunga. I was with on the us with Anna. Cowabunga, Dad.
Calabunga.
Cowabunga. Like a spiders on your shoulder. I love spiders. I love spiders. Do you know I love spiders, Dad? So it has to be straight.
No.
It says it right there has to be straight. You know who I'm? You know who I'm, Krypton? And you. All I am in is in you. How many legs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 legs. Let me put this one right here.
Are you sure?
Yep.
7 more? How about we do it?
Look how far I go.
Good.
Thanks.
Good job. Make sure you get that piece pressed down real good.
I did. Oop, I guess I did this. There you go. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. I'll keep making the legs and you keep attaching them.
There's no way for that. Say cowabunga for that. No way. No more no way. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Oops.
Next, I put the last piece on this leg. They put the last piece on this for leg. The spider will always be big like that spider right there. The butt almost need to touch. Thank you.
There you go.
Your last leg. There we go.
Oops. Wrong way.
Bam! How it look? Look. Like itsy bitty spider went up the right spout. Down in the rain, wash the spider out. The sun come out, washed all the rain. The thunder's missing. The fire wind, oh my gosh. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Spiders are dangerous. Do you know birds eat plants?
Mm-hmm.
They're they kill spiders. They eat spiders too.
Okay.
Right. So they're doing the task to this right here.
Not quite.
Okay. So where'd that part go? Right here. Ooh.
String runs through that. Hold on, buddy. Hold on.
That's my
We're not. Yeah, but we're not ready. We're not ready for all that. You little silly goose.
Where's my book? Where's my light? Oh, my lights are right here. Now I need my coat. Not my book. I need my right to tap. So give me that. My book's already. I can walk down. Danger! Danger! Danger!
Okay. Interesting.
Come on, Lord. Come on. Gotcha. Danger. Come on. Danger. The spy's here. What's your name? Straight up.
What's your name? Straight up.
No, his name is Spidery.
Spidery. Oh, okay.
And the spider guy.
Thought you said his name was Straight Up.
What's your name? Spider. Marla. And I live with my bird. Look, I made him do this. Do it.
Do the splits, you milk-livered maggot pie. Is that what it is?
Yeah. Do a split. Milk, like a pie. I can't do the split. Do the split. Milk, liver, make it pie. I can't do a split. Do the split. Do the split. Ow, 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 ow. You're good. How dare you? I'm okay now. My last hair thing. Dad, look behind you. Here you
Oh no, there's a ghost.
I gotcha. Gotcha, Dad.
Yep, you got me.
Well, without the butt, the finishing touch. The last touch. The last one. The last.
Okay, love it. That's awesome, actually.
I'm okay. Check. No, the butt's not like that.
Hold on.
Go
Hold
on.
on.
Finishing.
Okay, there goes on the bottom.
And the fire is finished. Wait. With the web part, the web. Hello, fire guy. Yelling down. Take a picture of us. I want a picture. Pretty good, huh? I want to try.
Beautiful. There you go, baby.
Bye, honey. See? The fire stays.
Legos hold up good. No breaks.
Oh, dang it.
It's alright, sugar.
I can put it back together.
That's all, folks.